What's up, guys? Back with another video. As you guys can see, I'm already working on my truck. We're going to swap out the heater hose connector because the other one ripped. As you guys can see, I mean, it broke. This is the broken one. This is the aftermarket one I'm gonna put on. It's gonna go right there on this one, right there on the right side. I have to borrow some tools from AutoZone. This thing gets the job done. As you guys can see, this is the hose. I gotta get the part out from in there. It's broken, and I'll be doing it with this type of pliers. Alright, guys, let's get this thing going. So my truck has been out for a couple of weeks. I haven't been able to drive it, and I'm going to swap all the spark plugs. I'm gonna leave these ignition coils, see how they do with the new spark plugs as well, like later on when I do change them. And if they're not the spark plugs, then I am going to replace these ignition coils as well. But hopefully they're the spark plugs, because every time I turn on the truck it starts to shake, and I had some mechanics tell me it's the spark plugs. I'm going to change that, and let's see how it does after. So I ended up taking out the piece that was inside, the thing that was stuck in there, which was part of the heater hose connector. I got it out. As you guys can see, it had to get broken into pieces, but it was the last remaining. Got it out. Now I have to just install this new piece. I'm gonna first install it. I'm gonna first have to put it through this hose and then connect it over there and just put the clamp. That should be it for that part. So right now I'm getting the inside of this hose a little cleaned up from the debris that stayed in there, like the parts that broke. You guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see through the camera, but it's a little dirty. So I'm just trying to clean all that junk in there. Look at that. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this part. This is the heater hose connector. This is the part that broke, so I want to go buy one. This is the part I'm gonna be installing now. This one just goes in here. Let's see if I can. See if I can put it in. I'm gonna see if I can put this thing in. It's pretty hard.
5 minutes later.
So guys, I had to swap the I had to swap the other hose because it wasn't fitting. So I went to the store and I got another one. Hopefully this one fits well. But we'll see right now how this one does. Either one didn't fit my hose right here. The clamp wasn't able to go through, but this one, it sits way better. So I hope this one does. I hope this one does connect. Okay. Now I just gotta fucking clamp this shit. I grab my other pliers. turn it off. So there we go, guys. The heater hose connector finally got connected up in there. It was a little bit of work, but hey, I got it done, huh? Hell yeah. I'm gonna turn it on and let's see if nothing is leaking from here. No coolant leaking here. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's nothing leaking. The other day my hose ripped, so it started leaking from there, from the pipe. So right now you guys can see I put that piece out, it fit perfect. It fit perfect, and now nothing is leaking anymore. So I'm just gonna leave it on for a few moments. Let's see if anything bad happens to this one or not. Should be good. It should be running. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a little bit small, but it's because the coolant has dropped over there. So yeah, guys, just gonna leave it on, and let's see if nothing bad happens to it. Hell yeah, guys. It's been a bit more than like 5 minutes. Nothing seems to be leaking anymore. So that's a thumbs up. That's how you know you did your job well. We got it on here, you know. It's hot. This one's hot, it's running good. Hell yeah. Next thing I'm gonna have to be change all the spark plugs because I still have a check engine light and it's kind of idling rough. I did change only 2 from that side, from the right side, but now I'm gonna have to change all these 4 and the other 2 on that side. And other than that, it should be running again smoothly. As you guys can see, I do have the check engine light right there. It's a code P0300. I believe it's going to be my spark plugs because you guys can see in the video I do have performance ignition coils, but once I do change my spark plugs and if it's still idly bad, then I am going to change the ignition coils, and we'll see from there if it's really that or if it's something else. I hope it's just the spark plugs. I already swapped out 2. I need to do 6 more. I gotta buy them all. I gotta buy the other 6. I'm pretty sure I'll do that tomorrow. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Catch you all on the next one. Peace.